Welcome back. I'm Jill with the CarefreeKitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite soup recipes. This is a creamy tortellini soup, and it's an Italian-inspired tortellini soup. This soup is loaded with so many flavors that you're going to love. There is some spicy Italian sausage, there's some crushed tomatoes, Italian seasoning, some cream cheese to make it nice and creamy, and then we top it off with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. So stay tuned, and I will show you how to make this simple, easy, and delicious creamy tortellini soup. You're going to need about 1 pound of Italian sausage, and this can be mild or hot. You need some chicken broth, about 4 cups, and then 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and just about any brand will do. You need some diced onions, and I like to mince these pretty small here. And then we have some Italian seasoning, some cream cheese, about 8 ounces there, and then 3 cups of roughly chopped spinach. And then of course, here is my tortellini. I'm using frozen, but fresh works great too. The first thing you're going to do is heat a large pot over medium heat and add the ground sausage with about 1/3 cup of water. Now you can use a wooden spoon to break up the meat into small pieces and continue to cook the sausage until it is no longer pink. When the meat is cooked, you can add the sausage onto a lined plate to soak up some of the grease. Add the diced onion to your pot and cook over medium heat until the onion is translucent and then becomes slightly golden brown, and just continue to stir this occasionally. Once the onion is cooked, add the sausage back into the pan along with your can of crushed tomatoes, chicken broth, and your cream cheese. Now you can just use your spoon to kind of break up the cream cheese into your soup, and as your soup comes up to heat, the temperature will melt the cream cheese and make this really yummy and creamy. Next, you can add your salt and pepper and your Italian seasoning, and then just stir again. When your soup is warm, you can add your tortellini and your spinach, and you're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and you will know when your tortellini is cooked because it will float to the top and it will be tender. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes of simmering on about medium heat. Check out this amazing soup. Oh, it is loaded with so much flavor. All those like Italian spices that we all love. Okay, now let's taste test this tortellini soup. It is thick and rich and creamy. Take a look at this. Does it get better than that? When you are in the mood for soup, this one hits the spot for sure. It literally takes like 30 minutes and then dinner's done. It really hits the spot every single time. It is so delicious and creamy. And that tortellini, oh. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy dinner idea that can be made in just like 30 minutes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me for more quick and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.